Hey, good afternoon, guys. It's your boy, Sean. Or, I don't want to say it. It's your boy. It's your boy. It's your boy. It's your boy. I'm a boy. I'm a man. Hey, what's up, guys? Sean, or Mustang 09, bringing you a new video. And today, man, we have a special occasion today. Today, we're taking the Mustang. I said today like 10 times already, but it is today. Today, we're taking the Mustang out, and we're doing a little bit of a burnout for gender reveal. I had a guy hit me up, and he was like, yo, would you be down to do a gender reveal in your Mustang, do a burnout, and so my wife and I can see what kind of baby we're having? And I was like, sure, man, no problem. I'm always down for a good little burnout. So I haven't seen it done this way yet, so I'm a little nervous on how it's gonna turn out, but fingers crossed, it's sick. But what they wanna do is they wanna get some powder, and it's like powder for doing this. And you put powder in the treads on the tire in like a patch, and you put like a little spot right in front of the tire, so when you roll into the burnout, it kicks it all up, and hopefully it turns out cool. So I gotta get the Mustang ready. I gotta take the stuff out from the track. I know it's been a week and there's still stuff in there from the track. So I gotta get all that stuff out, get it ready, and then we're gonna go do the burnout. I'm pretty excited, man. I've never been asked to be part of something so special like this. This is really cool. It's their first kid, and I still don't know if it's a boy or a girl. There's only one person that does know. It's my buddy's wife. So we'll see here in a second when I start packing the tires with powder. But I wanted to catch it on video because I've never done anything like this. So I'm interested to see how it turns out. And I'm happy for these people. It's super awesome that they're having a baby. I mean, that's what a blessing that is. Alrighty, guys. So we've got the powder. This is just like chalk powder, but it's red. So that means it's a girl. But I've got the car lifted up. This is the beauty of like having airlift. We can lift it up. So we're gonna put some of that in the tread. I gotta remember to roll my windows up. And then we're gonna put a pile of it in front of it.
In front of it?
Yeah. The couple's over there in the gray shirts. It's hard to see, but look, there's my burnout marks. There's two right there, and then there's some right here. I mean, those are somebody else's burnout marks in Mexico. They're not my burnout marks. Yeah, that's like, it's really good. Yeah, that's probably plenty right there. We need to put more in that. Hold on, we need, no. We need to, yeah. I hope this doesn't stain my, oh, it's getting all over the paint. It's like pollen, but worse. Okay, pray for my, oh shit. Ugh, I need a rag. Rub this in. Is that just one that we've used?
Yeah.
I think one's gonna be great. You recording?
Mm-hmm.
I'm nervous. I gotta pee. I don't want to mess it up.
All right, here goes Daddy.
We killed it, boys. We did a great burnout. This is the aftermath of our little stunt in Mexico. But that looks sick. And I gotta show you the wheels. There's the happy couple. They're having a girl. All right, I gotta show you the wheels. They look ridiculous. Oh my
my gosh. That's insane. We're cleaning the Mustang tonight.
Well, boys, we did it. Mission success. We made the mama cry, so that was good. Tears to her eyes. The car, though, has this hue of like pinkish red dust all over it. I'm gonna see if I can capture it. It's like super hard to tell, but on the roof here, it's all red. On the hood, it's red. There's red everywhere. Red on the fenders. So the plan was to wash the truck tonight. However, I think the Mustang has earned itself a bath in front of the truck. The truck is covered in pollen. That'll wait, you know. The Mustang did work. It was pretty cool. First time ever doing a gender reveal with the car. It made me feel pretty special. So shout out to Cameron and Allie. Congratulations on your new baby girl. That's super cool. But yeah, short little video for you guys. I hope you enjoyed. This was a fun experience for me. I love it when people have kids. I think it's so cool, especially when they want to be parents and they're excited about it. And it's just super, super awesome. And I'm very thankful to be a part of their celebration for that. So if you like this video, leave me a thumbs up. If you haven't already, let the comment down below and hit subscribe. And we'll see you boys back here for the next video. Take it easy. Peace.